Time
In
for
this
a little
video,
treat.
I will show you how to make these type of videos for free. First, open ChatGPT and search for GPT named Food Eating Itself. Click on that and start chat. Type strawberry or any fruit you want, and it will give you prompt for that and related prompts as well. Select the prompt you like and copy it. Go to Whisk AI and paste the prompt you just copied and select the aspect ratio portrait for vertical video and send. Wait for a while and it will give you the images you need. Download it. After downloading the image you like, go to Google Flow and upload the image. Type something like strawberry eating strawberry or anything that you prefer. Wait for the output, and here you have successfully generated the video you wanted.
Time for a little treat.